What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm gonna show you how to change your lock passcode or password here within your iPhone. In my case, for example, let's say that I'm trying to unlock my phone. It asks me for my password. Let's say that I wish to change my passcode in here in my phone, and I'm gonna show you how to do it in this video, and it's quite easy. It just takes you a couple of minutes. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks as well, especially stuff related to iPhone devices and Apple devices. If that's your interest, consider subscribing and like the video. Now, jumping straight into today's tutorial in here, let's hop into settings real quick, which is the very first step. You want to scroll down all the way to Face ID and passcode. Okay, so if you do have a much older iPhone software, you might be having a different description in here, something like lock or password and settings or anything like that. But as soon as you see anything related to passcode or password, you want to hop into that specific setting. So let's rapidly tap on Face ID and passcode. The very first thing, it's going to ask me to type in my existing or current passcode. This is important as it is a security measure here from Apple themselves, so no random person who has access to your phone actually changes your password. So let me quickly type in my existing or current password. There we go. Once you're done typing in your passcode, you'll be able to access all the settings related to your iPhone device in here. Now, all you want to do in here is simply scroll down. You can, for example, decide as well whether you want to let Face ID on or off. Okay, in my case, I'm going to let it on, and you might be having an iPhone as well with a fingerprint. If that's the case, you'll be able to see fingerprint instead of Face ID to unlock. So here you're going to select your preferred settings, and down here, if we scroll down, we do have an option in here to change passcode down here. Okay, now this is where we want to head straight into. I'm gonna tap here on change passcode. It's gonna ask me one more time to type in my existing password. So once you're done typing in your existing password, it's going to ask you to type in a new passcode, okay? And now please note that for the next 72 hours, you can still use the previous passcode to reset your new passcode in case you forget the brand new passcode. Now, please note that this is only in resetting scenarios, not normally to unlock your phone. It's only in resetting scenarios. Now, in here to insert your new passcode, you can tap here on passcode options, and you can select which type of passcode you want to insert. Okay, for example, if you want it to be a 4-digit numeric code, a 6-digit numeric code, or a custom numeric code, or even alphanumeric, if you want to take things to the next level and have a much advanced and complicated password. This is very important in case you do have very sensitive information in here within your iPhone. For example, if you do have an office phone where you work at the bank or something like that, probably you want to go for the most complex encryption method in here. So let's go with 4-digit. As of now, my passcode is going to be 1111. Okay, now it says that, for example, this password can be easily guessed, so it's my own decision whether I want to use it or change. Okay, I'm going to go with change just for showcase purposes. I'm going to tap on passcode options once again. I'm going to go with custom alphanumeric, and this is how it looks like. Within custom alphanumeric, you can type anything like, for example, hello 2024 or anything like that, and this will actually take you much longer to unlock your phone. Quickly, let's go with 4-digit. I'll go with 1254. That's my passcode, 1254. We're good to go. Passcode has been set into my iPhone, and in just a few seconds, you'll be able to see the pop-up saying that your passcode was changed. So all you want to do in here is simply tap on done, and you're good to go. Now, if I simply go, for example, back, and then I lock my phone in here real quick, let's say I try to unlock it, I swipe it up. Okay, no Face ID right now. I don't want to use it, so I'll keep my face pretty far. We're gonna type the new passcode 1254. This is how easily you can change your passcode on your iPhone. Now, if you simply open up again here the settings option, let me type 1254, my current password. We do have an option down here which says temporary passcode reset. As you can see, we do have an option here to actually cancel that reset feature. As I've said, we do have 72 72 hours where your previous passcode will still be valid to reset in case you forget. So you can actually tap here if you want to disable that feature so you can actually have your phone much protected. If that's the case, simply tap here on expire now, and my previous code or passcode doesn't work anymore. It doesn't have any value because my phone has completely forgot about that specific password. Now, please make sure that you do not forget your current password, because in case you forget it, you'll be in a situation where you'll have to force reset your iPhone. You'll lose a lot of data and stuff like that. Okay, for example, let's say that I simply miss my passcode for a couple of seconds. First things first, it's going to tell me that I need to wait for a couple of seconds or minutes. Okay, for example, there we go. My iPhone is currently unavailable for a minute. I just need to wait. In case you are going through a situation that looks like this, I would recommend you guys to be patient, okay? And just wait until you remember the passcode and that you do not insist. Because in case you insist, this timing here will just keep on increasing from time to time. And if you face really hard time finding your passcode that you've just changed, simply tap on forgot password and you can actually perform an iPhone reset in here, but you are going to lose all your data. So just relax and see if you can actually remember your passcode. This was it for today, guys. This is how you can easily change your passcode on your iPhone. And if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any questions or doubts so we can interact further. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.